Whenever you see the warning saying service 12-volt battery in your electric Fiat, it means the system has registered low voltage in the small battery circuit. And there are basically two ways to fix this. Both can be easily done on your own without the need to reset or reprogram anything. First of all, locate the 12-volt battery in your car. It's just under the hood. Try twisting the cables on the terminals with your hand. If you can't twist them, tighten the nuts on them to make sure the connectors are sitting tight. Also, if you see any corrosion on the terminals, disconnect the battery and clean it thoroughly. Then retighten firmly and see if this helps. If everything looks fine and sits tightly, it would be nice to get a load tester. You can just take the battery to any store that sells car batteries. They will most likely have a good load tester. Using this device, you can clearly see if the battery holds voltage on the load and if it needs replacement. A lot of people will try recharging the 12-volt batteries with the external chargers. Well, in EVs, it doesn't make much sense since the DC-DC converters in these cars are doing just the same, charging the batteries anytime the car is in ready mode. So if the battery starts freaking out, it just needs to go. Also, it's not necessary to pay any dealership or repair shop to install the new 12-volt battery. Just get the new battery with the needed specifications made by any reputable brand and install it on your own. You will save €100 and won't need to wait for your service appointment.